YouTube. I have not been filming at all because I started like working and I haven't had time, but I am today going to dye my blonde, I don't even know, hair to medium warm brown. I'm using Ion Brilliance color, Brilliance semi-permanent brown color, and I'm really excited to go back to like a darker hair situation. I've been blonde since last year, August, September, and I can't wait to like just get back to my roots. Get it? Okay. Cool. So I will get ready and come back. Oh my god. Okay, so I just bought a ring light. You will not believe how long it took me to balance my camera, my phone, just right on this so that it like looks normal. Okay, so I bought only one thing. I don't know if it'll be enough, so what I'm gonna do, mix it with some conditioner, just like for the bottom part of my hair. And then I'm gonna use like pure color without the conditioner for the top part, just because like that matters more. And then this one can be a lighter brown, like it's fine. I don't think it will. I think the conditioner, diluting it won't like mess with the color or anything, but I only bought one because I'm cheap. Like literally I could have bought two, I just bought one because I'm cheap. Yes, so I'm gonna mix them, and then I'm gonna mix the conditioner in this, do the bottom, this part of my hair, and then I will do the other part with a different batch that's not conditioner. Does that make sense? Am I making any sense? I don't know. Y'all get it. Okay, bye. I'm using this much conditioner, quite a bit, for the bottom part of my hair, and I'm about to put the dye in right now. Oh yes, brunette life, come back to me. I'm so excited. Okay. So I'm gonna mix that in with the conditioner. That should be enough for this whole part of my hair. And then I'm gonna use only this that's left in here to do the rest of it. I changed angles. This is easier for me. I have gloves from like an old box dye I'm gonna use that I save plastic. It's good for the environment. And oh crap, it got wet. The sink was wet. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. It's fine. Okay. All right. Oh, they're damp. Oh, they're damp. I hate when the gloves are damp. I hate when anything's damp. It's annoying. Right. I mixed. It looks like fudge or poop, however you want to look at it. Depends on what kind of person you are. And I'm gonna put it in my hair. And I'm so excited. I might put a little more brown. It looks like too like not brown enough. Put a little more brown in there. Can you see? It's this. I'm just gonna put a little more color. And we should be set. Honestly, it does look like melted chocolate, and it's making me hungry, for sure. We're okay. We're okay here. Nothing's wrong. Okay, so I'm mixing it fully. Pretty excited about. Oh, the conditioner smells so good. And I think the actual dye smells really good. Okay, and I guess I'm gonna start putting it in my hair. So let's start with maybe bottom. So slower. Make sure you get like inside the pieces. Like sometimes it's blonde, like when you open this like the section up, it's like all blonde inside. So make sure that is not what's happening, because it's gonna look really weird when it's dry. Not that I'm an expert. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I've never done it before. Thank you. Oh my god, I'm loving just even now, just seeing like the color not even done with the dark hair. I'm loving it. I missed my dark hair so much. Like, oh, so much. Oh, don't even know. This is what dreams are made of. I got somewhere to belong. I got somebody to love. This is what dreams. like strands of gold and it's like making me nervous. I'm trying to get every strand. It's like definitely harder than you might think. I should be doing this with more precision, but I feel like the back, like who cares about the back of your hair, right? Like, I don't know. I'm not gonna be seeing it. Like, I don't care. And so just making sure, again, I get every strand to be like brown as possible. I feel like when you're blonde and then you go back to like a darker color, that effect is so stunning. Like, I just think there's nothing like it. Like, there's nothing like kind of like a raven haired woman, you know? I am really nervous that I'm gonna have like golden strands showing in this brown, so I'm trying to be very thorough. So it looks like the back part is done. Now for the important part, we are gonna do just like a strand at a time all the way around. So I'm going to take this down. I'm just going to work on this for a while, and then we're just going to go around and figure it out. I want this to come out so dark. Like, my goal is that it almost looks black, like my roots, but like a little bit shiny in the sun. I have a feeling it's going to come out lighter than that, but the goal is for it to come out as dark as possible. I've never used a semi-permanent color that's this dark. Like I always do like the funner colors, like pink or blue or something, or purple. So I don't even know if this is gonna look natural or if it's gonna look like brown paint on my hair. But we'll see. I wish these gloves were tighter, but they are not. Well, the undiluted one is so dark. Baby, I'm just doing my hair.
Who are you talking to? Oh, snappy doodles.
Oh, people.
Oh shit. Are you recording me?
Yeah, they can't see you.
It's live?
No, I'm just recording. I want you back as ever. I changed it to HD 30 so my battery, like my memory wouldn't go as quick. I think that helps. Baby, almost done. Whew. Okay, I finished a little bit off camera my story.